Hey everyone, it's Jose with Visualize LED. We're proud to partner with businesses across industries to create unforgettable customer experiences. From retail spaces and houses of worship to corporate environments and live events, our LED solutions are designed to captivate and engage people everywhere. Whether it's showcasing promotions, streaming live events, or creating dynamic branding moments, our screens are more than just displays. They're a vital part of your customer experience and engagement. At Visualize LED, we don't just deliver the best technology, we deliver tailored solutions. Our team works closely with you to design, install, and support your LED wall, ensuring that it fits your vision and your business needs. So whether you're looking to elevate your showroom, energize your events, or enhance your worship services, we've got you covered.